Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we take everyday tools and put them under a real, practical spotlight. Today we're looking at a compact but powerful piece of fiber maintenance gear, the groword 4-in-1 Fiber Optic Cleaner Pen Box Kit. If you work with fiber optics in telecom, networking, data centers, or even home installations, this little kit might be the tool you didn't know you needed. Let's start with what this kit actually is. Inside the small, lightweight box you get a set of cleaning tools designed for almost every common fiber connector you'll encounter. That includes SC, FC, ST, LC, mu, MTP, MPO, D4, and DIN connectors. The kit combines both 2.5mm and 1.25mm cleaning pens along with fiber optic cleaning swabs, giving you a full range of coverage whether you're cleaning ports or ferrule end faces. What immediately stands out is how intentionally simple the design is. Each cleaning pen is shaped like a regular writing pen, so it's easy to hold and maneuver even in cramped rack spaces. You insert the tip into the port, press until you hear the click, and that click tells you the internal cleaning mechanism has done its job. It's a small detail, but in environments where you're moving fast, that confirmation sound is actually really helpful. The cleaning action itself is anti-static, meaning it removes dust, oil, and debris without leaving additional static charge or scratches on the end face. That is extremely important because even microscopic contaminants can cause signal loss or complete link failure. If you've ever troubleshooted a mysteriously bad fiber connection only to realize the port was dirty, you know how valuable reliable cleaning tools are. Groword claims over 800 cleaning cycles from the LC pen alone, and over 500 uses from each swab. While we're not pushing this kit to its absolute limit today, the mechanism feels sturdy enough to support frequent use. This is not one of those disposable, single-job tools. It's made for techs who clean connectors regularly and need something dependable in their bag. Let's talk about the cleaning swabs for a moment. These are designed for reaching surfaces that a click-type pen can't access. If you're dealing with exposed ferrules, optical modules, or specialty connectors, the swabs allow you to clean directly with controlled precision. They're single-use, which is the correct design choice for fiber optics, because reusing swabs can reintroduce contaminants. Another advantage of this kit is its versatility. Whether you're doing FTTH installations, maintaining enterprise switches, testing fibers in the field, or working on patch panels with tight connector spacing, having a universal cleaning kit simplifies your workflow. Instead of carrying separate tools for LC, SC, and so on, this single kit covers pretty much everything. The exterior build is compact and feels durable. It's made from a mix of plastic, silicone, and cotton components where needed. Nothing about it feels flimsy. At around 10.5 ounces and small enough to fit in a pocket or tool pouch, it's a truly portable cleaning solution. In a real-world use scenario, this kit helps reduce insertion loss, prevents costly troubleshooting time, and ensures connectors perform at their rated optical power. For installers and technicians, that translates to fewer callbacks and more reliable network links. For hobbyists or home users working with fiber to the home connections, it provides an affordable way to keep your setup running properly without requiring professional service. To wrap this up, the groword 4-in-1 Fiber Optic Cleaner Pen Box Kit is a practical, easy-to-use, and genuinely useful tool for anyone dealing with fiber cables. It combines versatility, high cleaning capacity, and a straightforward design into a single kit that punches above its price point. If your workflow relies on clean, consistent fiber connections, this is the kind of tool that quietly becomes essential. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want more hands-on breakdowns of tools and tech like this, make sure to subscribe and check out our upcoming reviews.